Straight up. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. And by now, y'all should know what we gonna do here, right? It's the hottest style. And I know it's a black sneaker, white, little bit of red. That just makes it even better to stab. Jones on the soundtrack. Usually we start with essentials. We're not going to start with essentials. Let's start with Travis Scott. Straight up! Yes, sir. This here is the McDonald's Travis Scott hoodie apple pie. All black hoodie. Little hints of the red in there from the McDonald's. Some white. It's a dope match. You can still get this on third party, StockX, Goat. Not that much. The McDonald's collab was fire, but prices wasn't that high, man. I guess they made a lot. But yeah, the apple pie joint, dope match. Stan Travis Scott and Stan McDonald's is the Cactus Jack McDonald tee. You got the McDonald logo there. If you're going to do the red shoelaces, which I recommend, that's what I'm going with. But you got the red there from the McDonald logo. But you go to the back, you got sesame seeds, making the Cactus Jack logo. This is dope for any shoelace you decide to go with. The white, black, the ones they come laced with, even the red because of the front of the shirt. But that is super dope, man. Again, third party, StockX. Last but not least is the astronomical tee, Cactus Jack joint. Yeah, the blue is some blue in here, but it's an all black tee. And that sneaker's only black and white. So if you're not going to go with the red laces, this shirt is a dope match. The back is dope, but I really just like the simpleness of the front Cactus Jack logo on the left chest with the same logo you see on the tongue of the sneaker. Now let's get into some Supreme. And this is my favorite Supreme tee in a long time. And I think you know why. Super dope. You got an all black tee. Photo is white. Red Supreme logo. Dead on match. And believe it or not, you can get this shirt for close to retail on StockX and Goat, because this is one of the shirts where Supreme just made too many colors, so it was a whole bunch to choose from. Everything couldn't sell out. So retail, we talking like $48 to $50, $60. Staying Supreme, again, the sneaker's basic, black and white. So black and white on the front, just read Supreme right there on the top. But the back is the Greta tee, the Gremlin Greta tee. Another one of my favorite Supreme tees in a while, Gremlins classic movie. So the back of the shirt gives you some kind of color. And believe it or not, these look like Travis Scott colors, green, purple, what's that, like the jungle color, the cheetah print. That screams Travis Scott, but the front just matches perfectly. Again, around retail for this shirt. And again, just staying basic, the Supreme small box logo tee. Yes, it does abrase a little bit, has that rubber material there, so you do see it well. All black tee, crisp black tee, little Supreme box logo, matching basic with basic. Now, if you want to go reverse, I know that the sneaker's mostly black with white. This is an all white tee with black. Nice reverse look. This is Como de Garçon Play. As you know, this used to be expensive. Now that they make a whole bunch of Converse and a whole bunch of different tees, the prices is dropping, like below $100. So I really, really like this look. Y'all know how I feel about Kobe, man. This right here is one of my favorite Kobe tee, one of my favorite Kobe merch in my collection, and it's by Blue the Great. So the front of the shirt just reads Kobe with his birth year and his death year. R.I.P. Mamba, man. But the back, you know Blue the Great's not going to just leave nothing black and white. You got the 8 with the angel halo on top of it. I mean, like I told you, the sneaker's basic, but if you want to make it pop and make it fire, I got the pieces here. So again, you see the Blue the Great tag right there. He might still be selling it. Go to Instagram and go to his shop. But I can't see how this is not sold out. But I just feel like it's a perfect match if you already own it. Kobe. And when you think of Kobe, you think of Jordan. This right here is a rare throwback jersey. The 45 White Sox Michael Jordan jersey by Majestics. And I usually wear this with my off-white 5s. What else Jordan? My stealth Jordan 1s. But when I saw the Travis Scotts with that black and white look, I was like, man, this is a dope look. You got the throwback White Sox logo. Again, it's made by Majestics. I don't know if you could just go to Dick's Sporting Goods or East Bay. Dang, East Bay's going. Aww. I don't know, MLB shop, but just look it up. If you need help finding it, hit me in the comment section below. We'll try to find it together. But it's a perfect match. See, I waited a while. Essentials. Now, before Essentials started getting cute with us and giving us coral and seafoam and 5 different grays and 4 different browns, black, white, and gray was their staple. So, first I'm going to show you the throwback OG Essentials. This is like one of the first ever Essential sweats ever from Fair Guard. See, it has the white stripe down there. The Essential logo is white here instead of black. That's what makes this a perfect match for those Travis Scotts. Black, white, dope look. Next up, another classic Essential hoodie. They don't make it like this no more. The materials got better since, but this was a great material here. Thick, but not that thick. You know what I mean? But yeah, you got the Essentials there, black, white, Master Travis Scotts. And as a bonus, you got like a portrait in the back of some flowers. Again, looks very Travis Scott-like, man. Or you could deal with the new joints here. This is the black limousine joint. Perfect match. And I do like this gray. When you think of black and white, you think of gray a lot. So I do like the Heather Oak dark gray look also on the Travis Scotts. And here you just have the limousine black t-shirt that reflects. So it's a dead-on, spot-on match for the Travis Scott. Essence, in clothing, feature, they all have Essentials. It restocked crazy. PacSun, you could go crazy with it. Another tee I like is the Fragment Bear Brick tee. Black tee, if you know their material, you already know thickness, quality. But the font here just has a white Fragment logo with like a bear and like, you know, a modern design. I thought of this tee because you already know the last Travis Scott low was a Fragment, so that's why I thought of it. And on the back, you got a nice little lime green Fragment joint going on. Getting off the streetwear a little bit and going a little upper S class is the Love Moschino tee. And I picked this tee not only because of the quality and because it's a spot-on match, it's because the way the Love Moschino logo abraises, as this rubber, all of this is rubber, pops up, it makes the outfit pop crazy with those Travis Scotts on it. These last couple of pieces I brought before the Travis Scotts came out because I knew I would have had to get the Travis Scotts. So the first one up is the Drake Nike Nocta tee. Come on, guys. This looks like a Travis Scott tee. Got your black tee, white writing. I don't even know what it says. It reads 2 things I'll always be is honest and in some Nikes. Come on. Come on, y'all. This is like a perfect match for the Travis Scott joints, man. It's a Nike. It's not the Nocta Nikes, but it is a Nike. Retail for this was $50. Keeping it draped, but going to the OVO instead of Nike is the Looney Tunes OVO collab with the hat. I like the match because it's black and it got some gold. Gold, you always think of royalty, so I really like this. And hats. Yes, sir. I like all of these because they all kind of match in with a different outfit or a different way you're trying to rock them. So first is the White Sox hat. I showed you the Jordan Classic Throwback. The hat to match just makes it more perfect. Brooklyn Nets, y'all know I'm from Brooklyn. But not only do I like this hat because of that, I like it because of the colorful flowers all around the hat. Gives you some color to a black and white sneaker. Pink bottom, $60. They saw me coming. Classic Rock Nation paper plane hat. One of the most iconic and classic hats right now for the last couple of years. And the Staple Pigeons hat, just because it's the community, it's the culture. The back of the hat has bird doodle on it, Staples logo. It's just classic, man. I like this shirt too, guys, because I felt like this was a Travis Scott look. This is from the market, one of their new logos or collabs right now, the Need a Hand tee. Yeah, guys, so that's just it wasn't quick. I had way more, but I tried to just give y'all the most fire pieces. But I had a style on the Travis Scott Black Phantoms. Dope sneaker, guys. Comment section below. Let me know if you need help finding anything you've seen in this video. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich. Jones on the soundtrack.